An engineering marvel, the Panama Canal stands as a testament to human ingenuity. This 50-mile waterway, completed in 1914, revolutionized global trade and transportation. By connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, it slashed travel times and shipping costs. The canal quickly became a lifeline for international commerce. Engineers and workers battled challenging terrain, tropical diseases, and engineering obstacles. The project's success marked a turning point in engineering history. The United States played a pivotal role in its construction and subsequent control. The canal facilitated the movement of goods, troops, and warships. It enhanced American naval power and bolstered its influence in the region. Today, the Panama Canal remains a critical link in the global supply chain. Over 14,000 ships transit the canal annually. However, it now faces a new set of challenges that threaten its future viability. The Panama Canal now faces unprecedented challenges. Drought and congestion threaten its ability to operate efficiently. These issues have led to increased waiting times for ships and higher transportation costs. Addressing these problems is crucial for the canal to maintain its relevance in a changing world. The canal relies on a vast system of artificial lakes that provide water for its locks. However, rainfall in recent years has been below average. This has resulted in lower water levels in the lakes. The Panama Canal Authority has been forced to impose draft restrictions on ships. These restrictions limit the amount of cargo ships can carry. The volume of global trade has increased significantly in recent decades. The canal, while expanded in 2016, is struggling to keep up with the demand. Ships often face long delays as they wait to transit the waterway. The Panama Canal Authority is acutely aware of these challenges. It has implemented measures to mitigate the impact of drought and congestion. These include investing in water-saving technologies and optimizing canal operations. Addressing these issues requires a multifaceted approach involving technological innovation, international cooperation, and sustainable practices. As the Panama Canal grapples with its challenges, alternative trade routes are emerging. One such route is Mexico's Interoceanic corridor. This ambitious project aims to connect the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans through southern Mexico. It has the potential to reshape trade flows in the Americas. The Interoceanic corridor will stretch from the port of Coatzacoalcos on the Gulf of Mexico to the port of Salina Cruz on the Pacific Ocean. It will encompass a network of railways, highways, and pipelines. The project aims to facilitate the movement of goods, energy, and people across Mexico. Mexico sees the Interoceanic corridor as a way to boost its economy. The project is expected to create jobs, attract investment, and promote development in southern Mexico. The Interoceanic corridor offers certain advantages over the Panama Canal. Its location in southern Mexico provides a shorter route for some shipping lanes. However, the project faces its own set of challenges. South America is also developing its own alternative trade route, the Bi-Oceanic corridor. This ambitious project aims to connect the Atlantic and Pacific coasts of South America, offering a new pathway for trade and commerce. The Bi-Oceanic corridor will span over 2,000 miles, traversing through Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina, and potentially Chile. This massive undertaking involves upgrading existing infrastructure and constructing new roads, railways, and tunnels. The corridor is designed to facilitate the movement of goods, services, and people across the South American continent. The Bi-Oceanic corridor offers several potential benefits. It promises to reduce transportation costs and times for landlocked countries like Paraguay and Bolivia. By connecting the Atlantic and Pacific coasts, the corridor aims to boost trade and investment within South America and with other global partners. However, the Bi-Oceanic corridor faces significant challenges. Coordinating efforts among multiple countries with varying political and economic priorities adds complexity. Addressing environmental concerns and engaging with indigenous communities along the proposed route are crucial considerations. Climate change is not only impacting existing trade routes but also opening up new possibilities. The Arctic Passage, a shipping route through the Arctic Ocean, is becoming increasingly navigable due to melting sea ice. This development has significant implications for global trade and geopolitics. The Arctic Passage offers a potentially shorter route between Asia and Europe compared to traditional shipping lanes. As sea ice continues to melt due to climate change, the Arctic Passage is becoming more accessible for longer periods. This has sparked interest from shipping companies looking to reduce transit times and fuel costs. However, navigating the Arctic Passage presents unique challenges. The region's harsh weather conditions, limited infrastructure, and environmental concerns pose significant obstacles. International cooperation is crucial for ensuring safe and sustainable navigation in this fragile ecosystem. The Arctic Passage has also become a focal point of geopolitical competition. Countries bordering the Arctic, including Russia, Canada, and the United States, are vying for influence and control over this strategically important region. The opening of the Arctic Passage underscores the complex interplay between climate change, geopolitics, and global trade. The Panama Canal, once a symbol of American influence, now finds itself at the heart of growing geopolitical tensions, particularly between the United States and China. As China's global reach expands, its interest in the canal has grown, raising concerns in Washington. China has become a major user of the Panama Canal. Its ships, laden with goods, frequently transit the waterway, connecting China to markets in the Americas and beyond. Recognizing the canal's strategic importance, China has made significant investments in Panama, including port facilities and infrastructure projects. The United States, which has long viewed the Panama Canal as crucial to its national interests, has watched China's growing influence in the region with unease. The Trump administration's trade war with China further exacerbated tensions. The Biden administration has maintained a wary eye on China's activities in Panama. The Panama Canal's strategic location and importance as a choke point for global trade make it a potential flashpoint in the US-China rivalry. Any disruption to the canal's operations could have significant economic and geopolitical consequences. Panama seeks to balance its relationship with both superpowers while safeguarding its own interests. The Panama Canal stands at a crossroads. To maintain its relevance in a rapidly changing world, it must adapt and innovate. Embracing new technologies, addressing environmental concerns, and navigating geopolitical challenges will be crucial for the canal's continued success. One of the key challenges facing the Panama Canal is the increasing size of cargo ships. Many modern container ships are too large to fit through the canal's existing locks. The Panama Canal Authority is exploring options for further expansion to accommodate larger vessels. Sustainability is another pressing concern. The canal's operations rely heavily on freshwater resources, which are becoming increasingly scarce due to drought and climate change. The Panama Canal Authority has implemented water-saving measures and is investing in alternative water sources. Technological innovation also plays a crucial role in the canal's future. The Panama Canal Authority is investing in digitalization, automation, and other technologies to optimize operations, improve efficiency, and enhance security. By embracing innovation, addressing environmental concerns, and navigating geopolitical complexities, the Panama Canal can ensure its continued relevance and contribute to a more interconnected and prosperous world.